Okay. So, ito yung aking first two examples sa pagkuha ng derivative ng trigonometric functions. It says, find dy over dx and simplify the result whenever possible. Okay. So, sa pagkuha ng derivative ng trigonometric functions, right after we apply the formulas, if you can simplify yung ating resulting derivative gamit yung ating mga trigonometric identities, mas maganda. Okay? So, kailangan i-recall natin yung ating trigonometric identities, especially mga double angle formula, triple angle formulas, and then yung mga basic trigonometric identities natin, yung reciprocal identities, Pythagorean identities, the quotient identities, etc., etc. Okay? Now, we have example number 1, y equals sine 4x. Now, this is sine function. So, ibig sabihin, gagamitin natin yung formula na derivative ng sine u is equal to cosine u times du over dx. Okay. Sa case nito, ang ating u ay 4x. Okay. U equal to 4x. Diretso na natin, ano? So, ganito. So, we have dy over dx on both sides, or d over dx on both sides, d over dx here, d over dx on the other side. Okay. Now, so we have dy over dx, that is the required do sa ating, yun ang task natin. So, anong gagawin? Just replace sine by cosine. Okay? That is cosine 4x times derivative pa ni u. So, ang u natin ay 4x. Yan. So, we have cosine 4x. And the derivative of 4x, yan, gamit yung ating rule of differentiation sa algebraic functions, derivative of 4x is 4. 4 will be multiplied as doon sa coefficient ni cosine, hindi doon sa angle of cosine. So, therefore, sagot natin is 4 cosine 4x. Okay? So, that is our answer doon sa ating example number 1. Para naman sa example number 2, so, gawin muna natin, i-rewrite muna natin yung given. The given is y equals sine cube 4x. So, we have here a power dun sa sine natin. So, pag nire-write natin siya, maging ganito siya, y equal to sine 4x raised to 3. So, ibig sabihin, bago natin gamitin yung ating formula for the derivative of sine, gamitin muna natin yung power rule. Ano yung power rule natin? Kung natatandaan nyo pa, we have derivative ng u to the n is equal to n u n minus 1 times derivative ng u. Sa makatuwid, ang magiging u muna natin dito before the angle is yung nasa loob ng ating parenthesis. So, ang u natin ay sine 4x. Ang n natin ay 3. Okay? So, gamit yung ating power formula, ganito ang mangyayari. So, we have, kunin muna natin, derivative ng both sides. Okay, so we have here dy over dx equal to, okay, so okay, gamit yung power rule natin, yung power, i-multiply sa coefficient. So, we have 3, babawasan ng isa, okay, yung exponent. So, we have sine 4x raised to 2 times derivative pa ng u. So, derivative no sine 4x. Okay. Now, we have 3. Multiply ko na. I-rewrite ko na kung saan nasa powers na siya ng function. Sine squared 4x. Now, derivative of sine 4x, saka natin to gagamitin. Okay? So, that is equal to cosine 4x times derivative pa nung u. Ang u na ngayon natin dito, ito yung magiging u natin. Okay? Ang derivative pa ng ating u, gamit yung formula, is derivative ni 4x. Okay? So, we have 3 sine squared 4x times cosine 4x times derivative ni 4x is 4. Okay? Now, The next is to multiply 4 and 3. Okay, so we have 4 times 3 is 12. So therefore, dy over dx is equal to 12 sine squared 4x cosine 4x. Okay, so that is our answer dun sa ating example number 2. Okay, pwede naman natin ilagay both sa cosine function to by replacing sine squared 4x by 1 minus cosine squared 4x. Pero I suggest ito na lang kasi hahaba pa yung ating solution. So that is our examples number 1 and 2 on the topic about derivative of trigonometric functions natin. Thank you.